Well, hi.
Hi.
I'm Chad, and I'm going to show you guys how to make some salad dressings. All right. Next, I'm going to do ginger miso dressing. Oh. All right, I'm going to do that in the blender, actually. No, I'm not. Scratching that. Taking it all back.
There's some more salad ingredients.
Thank you. I'm going to start grated ginger for this. I have like a tablespoon of grated ginger. And I pre-did it. I just used a microplane.
Okay.
Any grater you have, or you could just chop it up pretty finely. And then 2 tablespoons of miso.
It doesn't have soy in it.
It does not.
Okay, because I have a severe allergy to anything
You
soy.
do.
Anaphylaxis.
So we can't do this one though because
You can do it, I just can't eat it.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Because I do have soy sauce in this, but if I would have known, I would have done, you could do this, replace it with coconut aminos, which is what I actually would have done at home. I typically don't use soy sauce, but I used it for this dressing. Mainly because most people like soy sauce. That's what they're used to.
Right.
Coconut aminos is a little sweeter.
What is that?
It's made from coconut nectar. And so they cook it down like they would soy sauce. And then it's got that like salty, briny soy.
Like at a health food store?
Yeah, you could get coconut aminos, gooseberries. You could get it at Fred Meyer. You could get it at natural grocers. I think you can get it pretty much everywhere now.
What section would it be in?
It'd be probably next to the soy sauces.
Oh, okay.
I have 1 garlic clove grated. So I'll add that. Yeah, I don't think for salad dressing, I don't think we should do that.
Take one for the team.
I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, which is probably my favorite. I actually use rice vinegar in other salad dressings. I'll make like a balsamic and I'll do rice vinegar. I think it's an awesome flavor. Yeah, it has a really nice flavor. A tablespoon of tamari or soy sauce, which this is made with no wheat, so it's just soybeans. Soy sauce is made with wheat and soy. And then a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, which I love.
Yeah.
Sesame oil. It does. It can be a little overpowering sometimes, but I really enjoy it. And then actually it's a 1/4 cup. I lied. Of olive oil. And then this one it probably would be best in your magic bullet, or I like whisking it. I kind of like the chunks, but a lot of people want it more, that uniform. So I do. Whoa. I know. I almost brought my apron. Got it. I actually have an apron because I get water all over myself at home.
Does it have anything written on it?
It doesn't. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of honey as well to sweeten it up. But I need to clean my tablespoon.
Interesting flavors. Yeah.
Yeah, I like doing this miso dressing with cucumber, like a cucumber heavy salad. So I'll do cucumbers, maybe a little like snap pea, carrots. We do a lot of that at home. We'll make like rice bowls and then do salad on it on the side.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Throw your favorite protein on it. All right. We have finished the miso, which costs pretty cheap to do yourself. Use very little of everything in this one, and yet miso dressing at the store is like $12. I think the last time I looked, I was like, whoa, it's really expensive for something that you can do really easily at home.
Right.
All right, let's try this one. Well, not all of us. I'm so sorry.
Take your word for it. Did you have your other salad?
No.
You can get the first salad?
You can just do one plate.
No.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Oh.
I'll try this one.
There
There was people calling about.
Do you want to just do?
Well, they got savvy and then they started like
Picking it
picking their
apart.
muffins apart. Like, oh, they're tearing it.